these are the problems you had for homework. So the most important thing is you filling up the information that is given to you, la información que te pasan correctamente. So here, the first one, we did it in class, but I'm going to do it again. 3 cups of water weigh 12 ounces. 3 vasos pesa 12 onzas. How heavy is 10 cups of water? So here is a table. It's already done for you. Ya está hecho. So from 3 to 10, no hay. Nada multiplicado por 3 en esta realidad. Nothing times 3 becomes 10. So that doesn't help me. Eso no me ayuda. What does help me is this. Look how easy that is. How does 3 become a 12? Times 4. So if we go lado a lado, side to side, we can use that relationship and go times 4. So 10 vasos, 10 cups, weigh how many ounces? 40 ounces. Now this second one, I did it in class, but again, I'm going to do it again. So there's a table, and it says Martin can read 4 pages, 4 páginas, en 7 minutos. How many, or how long, I'm sorry, will it take to read 9 pages? Si tiene 9 páginas, ¿cuánto le va a durar? ¿Cuántos minutos? So here, from 4 to 9, 4 times algo me sale 9? No, eso no me va a servir. That's not going to work for me. How about side to side? 4 times something me sale 7? También no. So that's not going to work. So when that happens, cuando nadie te ayuda, you have to make one new one, a new ratio. A ratio that's going to help you. Okay, so over here, we can make a new one. Let's make another one. Let's make uno que me ayuda con 9, something that helps me with 9. So I want to make a number here that's going to help me with 9. So let's try 36. Can 4 go to 36? Can 4 go to 36? Yes. And can 36 become 9? Yes, very easily. How can 4 becomes 36? Times 9. So over here, I'm also going to multiply. También voy a multiplicar con 9. 7 times 9 is 63. Now, I can use ese segundo que acabo, okay? So even in a way, I want you to think, quiero que ustedes piensen en esta manera, que el otro no existe. Now, can we go from 36 to 9? Yes, we can. Divide by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And now here, I can divide by 4. And that gives me 15.75. So 9 pages, 9 páginas, it's going to take me 15.75 minutes. Okay, so we had the original 4-7, que no me ayudó mucho, didn't help me at all. I made a new one, right? I multiplied times 9, and then I used a new one to help me find my answer. Well, hopefully you are okay. So let's look at the next question. 5 boys can eat 16 slices of pizzas. 20 boys can eat how many pizzas? 5 niños comen 16 rebanadas de pizzas. 20 niños comen cuántos? So this one is not that. This one's pretty easy, right? So let's go straight. How does a 5 become a 20? ¿Cómo que el 5 se transforma en 20? Times 4. So over here, we use that same relationship, el mismo relación, and we multiply times 4. 16 times 4 is 64. So 20 niños, so 20 boys, can eat 64 slices of pizza. Okay, so that's, again, the easier type of question. Here, snack bar at the soccer field is charging $12 for 9 hamburgers. At this rate, how many hamburgers can you get for 20? So let's make a title. Let's call this money. And this is hamburgers. It says $12, $12. I can buy 9 hamburgers. Okay, aquí está mi información. So $20, si tengo $20, how many hamburgers can I buy? So here, let's go side to side. 12 divided by something gives me 9? No, that's not going to work. How about 12 times something gives me 20? Maybe a decimal. Maybe you can get a decimal number. Nope, not going to work either. También no funciona. 12 times algo me sale 20? No. So this one, I want to change. So I want to come with something different. What can I do with 12 and 9? Well, let me divide. Let me see what I can do. What if I did this? I'm going to divide by 3. Y aquí también voy a divide by 3 para hacer un nuevo, to make a new ratio here. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now let me erase this. So I made a new one. Voy a borrar esto. Let me put money back. Let me put hamburgers. So imagine that this is the new problem. Can I go from 4 to 20? I can. Times 5. And here would be times 5. Right? And what will my answer be? 15. So $20. ¿Cuántos hamburgers puedo coger yo? 15 hamburgers. So we had the original, el original, que era $12 y 9 hamburgers. No me ayudó mucho. Didn't help me too much. But I changed that to 4. I divide by 3. I divide this by 3. And these two help me find my answer. Let me move. Okay, very small homework today. So, a typist, alguien que puede usar el teclado, 120 palabras en 100 segundos, 120 words in 100 seconds. So, how many seconds would it take to type 258 words? So, 258 palabras, ¿cuántos segundos? That's what you have to try to find. So, okay. What can we do here? Can I divide this by... porque side to side, no, it's not gonna help me. Right? Nothing divided by... Unless I divide... no, let's say no. I want to use whole numbers. Y también nada over here. 120 multiplicado por cuánto me sale 258 times nothing. No hay nada también. So we have to make a new one. And this is where you have to just be creative and play around with your numbers. So let's see if I can divide that by 10. No. Divide that by 60. Oh, yuck. So I'm going to, this one is going to be really ugly. So it's okay. You know what? So let's do this. I'm going to divide this by 60. 120 divided by 60 is 2. The ugly part is here. 100 divided by 60 is, I'm going to have to use decimals. It's going to be 1.66, and we're going to use 1.67. Okay. Now, can I go from 2 to 258? I can. 2 multiplicado, 258 divided by 2 is times 129. Times 129. And over here, I can also multiply times 129. And we're going to get 215.43 seconds. Okay, so this is not I unfortunately don't like. I'm sorry about the numbers. I wish there was better numbers, but that's the idea is the same. Okay. Hopefully the next one, the ratio of oil. So let me write oil and vinegar is 8 to 5. 8 partes de vinagre, de óleo, aceite, es 5 partes de vinagre, 8 to 5. So when you make salad, you put a little 8 parts oil, 5 parts vinegar. So if you're going to use 7 parts vinegar, how much oil? ¿Cuántos oil necesitas tú? Okay, so that's the question. Well, is there a side to side? 5 goes to 5 to 8. Is there a side to side relationship? No. Is there 5 to 7? Is there a relationship times something? No. So we have to make a new ratio here. Let's see. This one's not that bad. So let's go 5 to, and let's use 7. Let's go times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. So over here, I'm going to multiply by 7 and get 8 times 7 is 56. Now, with this new ratio, can I go from 35 to 7? I can. Divide by 5. So over here, 56, I'm going to also divide by 5. And 56 divided by 5, 56 divided by 5 is 11.2. So when we're using 7 liters of vinegar, we need 11.2 liters of oil for 7 liters of vinegar. Okay. So the last two, not really I apologize for those last 2 questions, but I'll give you different ones or better numbers tomorrow. Okay, but that's it. That was your homework.